Hello, Bellas and Bellos. Welcome back to another Shey Bella exclusive. So if you're new to my channel, I am hopefully your new friend. I'm here to save you money on beauty, lifestyle, and just fashion. Everything that we love and adore, but we don't want to make our pocketbooks go empty, right? Well, you came to the right place because if you're looking for a liquid eyeshadow and have been looking for colors that are perfect for you and easy, today we're going to talk about the Armani new eye tints. They reformulated them, and it's been forever. And they brought back some similar colors. I'm going to show you three of my favorite that I will rock on my everyday use, but you should definitely check them out. I think these are great staples for eyeshadow bases, of course, because they're like a watery tint. They're not a creamy, rich, heavy, thick eye tint. So it's not gonna be cakey on the eyelid. If you're a more mature eyelid, drier eyelid, it won't show the crepiness. And it's also great to build. You can pop this on, put a shadow on top, and it's gonna give you that longevity, that all day wear. I'm gonna use these three colors. Number 595, which is this pretty burgundy plummy color, okay? Perfect for Valentine's. Then we're gonna use 8 medium. I'm lying, okay, y'all, I can't see. 18, number 18, and this is like an ivory, creamy color, base color, great for base. Then we're gonna use number 27, and this is a pretty rose, kind of bit of a little bit of shimmer. Okay, and I have brushes. I'm gonna use my hourglass brushes, and I'm not gonna put shadows on these tops because I really want you guys to get a feel, and I have nothing on my eyelids. I really want you to get a feel of course, you can directly apply it, but the artist in me, I guess, figures it's easier with a brush. So I'm gonna use this from top to bottom, and I like to call this my eye opener color. I always tell my clients, you want a base color to kind of open the eye area. It kind of is like your natural eye lift. Now, a lot of people will just wear their base color, which is nothing wrong with that, right? That, a little mascara, you can tight line the eyes. And I do like the texture of it because it's not dry. It feels not tacky, but creamy on the eyelid. And as you can see, the eye lift, it does lift and open that eye versus the eye that doesn't have it. So if you're looking for a neutral color, check out their neutral colors because this is a game changer. So let's just do the other eye right quick so we will match. And you can use your hands, of course. You can use your hands and pat it on. It's basically like finger makeup. But if you wanted the brush, I think will give you more precision. Okay, so I'm just gonna get into it. Let's get into this pretty plummy burgundy. And that's, ooh, look at that. It's like a blackberry. Okay, so we're gonna give it that little brush too. And I'm just gonna be really easy because I'm just gonna pop her on the lid because I want the plummy color to go closest to my lid. And even though it's like so deep, you see how the wash comes on. It's not heavy, so it is user friendly. If you're new to eyeshadows and you're scared, please don't be scared. Half the battle is just trying. And guess what? If you don't like it, I tell my clients, get a makeup wipe, wipe it off. There's no wrong way. I'm gonna kind of go out a little bit because I'm gonna get my blender blush. Yes, and I'm gonna go back and forth, back and forth. Yes. Y'all know about that? Back and forth. Yeah, what song is that? You guys know. Alrighty, you see that nice, gives that nice, soft, smoky, plummy. Plummies are really great on brown eyes. It makes our eyes bigger and they really open up. So I'm just doing this quick, and you are my mirror, so forgive me if it's not exactly perfect. Remember, I did a little in that corner, and it's not a perfect way to do it, right? Because they're cream and they'll blend. And they don't dry fast, so they're not gonna get like where you can't move them. So you have some wiggle room. I've been really into lately extending my eye. Okay, let's quickly go into that pink. It's like a frosty. Ooh, can you see that? Ooh, that's gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna put her in the crease too. We're gonna open up Shea Bella's eyes with her in the crease, right above it, just a soft. Oh, this is really pretty. Fellas and fellows, why am I acting surprised? I'm not acting surprised, but I do think they improved the texture. I think before it wasn't as silky, or maybe they would stick a little more. I feel like this blends a lot better. Pretty. Oh my God, I hope you can see. This is really easy. So I used the lighter color all over, eye opener, everyone should have. We used that plummy black burgundy. Oh, it's so gorgeous, great for brown eyed girls. On the lid, super pretty. And then we did the rosy pink. Oh my gosh, this could be on the lid, it could be on top of the burgundy. I put it in the crease to open up the eye. I use my hourglass brushes, but you can of course use your fingers because they are the best blending tricks, blending miracles that we are born with, our fingers. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out the Giorgio Armani eye tints. I think you'll be very satisfied with the quality, the texture, and the color range. I'm always here for you to show you all these breaking new launches and tell you what you need and what you don't need. I definitely think you should pick up one of these. They're great for easy, right? It's all easy breezy makeup. Until next time, Bellas, I hope you stay beautiful, stay smiling, have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I'll see you soon in the next Shea Bella.